And the winner of the first brand new Yum Cake.
Yes, from here. Ready?
Wholesome. Is Dalmasha family.
Dalmasha family!
Diyos.
Isang member ng Dalmasha family.
Diyan ko na.
Saba, one more. This one.
Dukot.
Dukot.
Ano ba dukot ko rito?
Wala kang mapapala dyan.
Yung pangalan.
Okay. Large. For the large Yamake.
The first brand new.
Very sumptuous and sugar rushing.
Kotse, di ba? Ikaw naman. Basakyan mo na.
Yamake goes to...
Bulanati family! You just won a brand new.
Yes. Pwede nyung make-upan yung cake kung gusto nyo. Mamaya.
Take all winners sa bulsa.
So, yung sound system mo natin, nasan yung song list nila?
Nakita lang.
Yan lang.
Kailangan makita na yung
Makita
song
naman
list.
na miss.
Oo.
Nasaan ba? For the open mic.
May siya dun sa isang malamang. Natinig mo.
Oh, okay, so meron bang gustong
Iniyak kita eh.
mag-sing? Meron bang gustong mag-sing?
Si Glide daw po.
Meron ba kayo nakasloob na kumanta dito sa...
Meron na mahaba ng listahan.
Meron na ba? Okay.
Yung ko sa labas. Sumawa.
May song ba yan?
Mas better siya eh.
Sarap. Mas maganda pag
We'll be back in a few minutes for the open mic session.
masarap siya.
Awarding.
Awarding. Para dun sa mga katanggap ng large cake, pwede nyo rin siyang i-share. Okay? Diba? This is the season of giving. Guys, okay, so let's
So
not
we'd
be
like to call
selfish.
back on stage the birthday celebrant for the awarding of the first two brand new
Yeah,
Yum
cake. Starting off with a small, with a medium but very nice Yamake, the Dalmasha family.
Mr. Dalmasha himself,
The father
Ate,
of the
saan
house.
bibili yan?
Sa bahay.
the
Kuya,
father of the Dalmashas.
kuya.
Hindi ba siya mabibiyak na tuloy?
Hindi naman pa naman. Huwag lang gagalawin. Kaya mo lang dyan.
Masarap siya ng iced tea.
Camera!
Camera.
Mas natin yan.
Camera, ano ba? Camera. Awards ito, awards.
Masarap naman iced tea.
Ready.
Sabi ko sa birthday set, wala yan.
Wala na daw bus.
Alright,
Okay.
Dalmasha family.
Now let's call in our second winner, the Bulanati, the very generous Bulanati family.
The white shirt.
Not the white shirt.
It's a red light.
Yes. Thank you.
A picture. DJ. Congratulations, you just won a brand new Yamake.
Yes.
Sarap niya.
Binibili.
Sa bahay.
O pauwi tayo. Ay, no.
Palakpakan natin ang ating first batch of winners.
Yes.
Nakatunaw naman.
Okay na yan?
Oh, wala bang gustong magsabi
Baka
ng
matunaw.
event name natin.
Hindi, pag pauwi tayo.
Na-memorize niyo ba?
Nilutunaw yan.
Hindi niyo na-memorize?
Pitong B.
Pitong B.
May prize din yun, may prize.
Birthday bash for
At
the
hindi siya
birthday
yan.
Batangas.
Oo, pero matamis siya. Pero hindi siya asukal.
Ano ba? Paano ba yan?
Bonggang.
Bongga 40th birthday bash. Batangas Beach Bonanza. Di ba? Bonggang-bongga.
Masarap yung prize. I know you like it.
Batangas Breakaway Beach.
May prize? Wala?
Eh, di ikaw na.
Ha?
Hindi pwede kapatid daw, bawal.
Ang supot ng twins. You like that?
Lulungat kayo sa twins.
Ito nga yung bonggang-bonggang 40th birthday, Batangas
Breakaway.
breakaway.
Erwin, it's a season of giving.
Hindi ko nga memorize.
Siglay, ang magsasabi.
Come on, Glennis.
Come on, come on.
Palakpakan natin si Glennis.
Try mo lang.
Promise?
Try mo lang, try mo lang.
Come on, Glennis.
Try mo lang.
Sige, Shai. Ako lalapin sa iyo. Teka, check mo.
Fine. Akin na pink. Ako ang ano, DTI representative.
Check mo. Teka, Pila, dalawa po ang nasa yan. Glynis. I said Glynis. Promise. The third.
Anong Glennis? Parang character sa McDo? Ano ba yun?
Okay, Glynis. Oh, Glynis? Kumusta ka na,
Okay,
Glynis?
paano ulit? What's the name of the event?
Bonggang-bonggang 40th birthday, Batangas breakaway beach bonanza.
I am so sorry. You got it the order incorrectly. The order is not correct, ladies.
Okay, next contestant. Come on, Vince. This time, kinatawag ka talaga kita.
The order.
Dito tayo sa harap.
You got the right words,
Here,
but
Vince.
it's not in the right order. Strict.
Okay, Vince.
Bonggang-bongga, 40th birthday, breakaway, Batangas Beach Bonanza.
May Alzheimer's to. Sorry. Next.
Alright.
May Alzheimer's.
Well.
Well. Tumatanda na lahat ng mga tao dito.
Look, do we have a year?
Alzheimer's disease.
So, care to try again, Glynis? Alright, dito.
Lal.
Si Lal.
Mr. Fernandez, I would like to try.
Bonggang-bonggang 40th birthday bash, breakaway beach bonanza.
I am so sorry, my dear friend. You're incorrect.
But I love the American accent.
Yeah.
Bongo, break
Bongo, yeah, bongo.
Love it. Okay,
Sorry.
Urbano Family, care to try? Come on, Urbano Family.
Come on, huwag niyo akong ipahiya.
Come on.
Come on, Connie.
Come on, Tony. Tambay mo lang. Nani mo mo.
Go, Glay!
Sige, kapatid na lang si Tim.
Ay,
Alam ni Tim.
tama ako.
Alam ni Tim. Tim.
Ay, try it.
Bonggang-bongga